Natural gas gave a beautiful breakout last week. I have told several times that once net gas is seen above 3.0 to 3.05 zone, just close your eyes and stay long. And in fact, it has gone close to 3.46 levels here. Now, what can we expect next week? Because this is a breakout, can we expect it to march towards my next target at $4 and $4.4? Or we can see a possible retracement from these levels. Which position you should take trading net gas next week, we will see with the help of charts followed with indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading levels, strategy and the idea to profit. So do watch till the end, and if you appreciate the effort, do like, share, subscribe and comment friends. Your every like, share and comment and subscribe is a great support motivation for me to deliver on the daily basis to the best of my abilities. Remember, let's start. See, I have been recommending the buys here in net gas since long now. At this point itself, I have mentioned that this is the bottom and we are looking forward to rise here. Then I have mentioned that 2.48 is the next bottom, and last week I had mentioned 2.8 is the now the bottom, and as long as 2.8 is respected, one should stay bullish in gas, and beautifully it has given a break. Now also one must note that this is the just the first candle after the breakout. So in all probabilities, we may see a second candle which may take the prices towards $4 levels. The possibility exists. But at the same time, look at the resistance zone here. See 3.55, 3.6. Very, very good resistance exists here at 3.55, 3.65 levels. And at this level, yes, these levels are achievable. And at this level, I will watch out how it behaves, because achieving those levels, we can expect a possible retracement before it resumes its upward journey towards the $4 levels. Yes, it appears that $4 levels should get achieved very, very soon. And in fact, we may look forward to prices filling the gap here at 4.3, 4.4 levels. So yes, 4.4 should also get achieved in the near future. If you look at the moves here, see after the bottom it has consolidated. This is the first breakout, and now increasing bullish candles can be expected here, which might take the prices towards first target at around 4, then 4.4, and then in fact 5 plus levels. If you look at the daily, now on the daily charts too, see 3.0 to 3.05 is the support now, and we have seen this breakout and it has continued on the upside. The only observation here is the second candle was slightly lesser bullish compared to the previous candle. This suggests that yes, there could be fewer more candles. However, there is going to be a little resistance and a pullback, because see on the daily charts things will get overbought and then we may see a little pullback before it looks forward to the up move here. But in fact, even if it thinks of retracing here, it can try to achieve the highs at around 3.55, 3.65 zone, and then retrace from there slowly towards 3.4 and below levels before bouncing back. So this is one of the probabilities in the coming week I will expect from net gas. Now if you look at the daily chart, see we have also noted that this is where the resistance will lie here before it looks forward to up move. So yes, definitely, as I said, 3.55 levels are achievable, then 3.657 zone is achievable before it retraces. Now let's have a look at the, if you look at the monthly charts, yes, this is the breakout, higher lows are seen, and in this month it is going to stay bullish. See, it is consolidated enough, it has given a breakout, and the possibility exists that this candle could be equally strong from what we have seen here. So when I say equally strong, this is all the possibility for it, for net gas to continue on the up current levels. How far? Yes, it can in fact fill the gap. It can in fact fill the gap here as well, continuing on the upside. And that is why this candle might be a stronger bullish candle. That is what I expect. Now remember, as long as 2.8 levels are respected in the month of October for natural gas, we should not be treating net gas as bearish. In fact, any drop towards 3.05, 3.02 zone is a good opportunity for you to accumulate more. Though I see the chances, or net gas is not going to give such chance again that it is going to drop below 2.83 zone any point of time. That is what I will look forward to. So yes, a rise is what you can continue to expect here in the coming week, and it can stay in green where possibility of a retracement is there. However, yes, it is still going to stay bullish. Now let's have a look at the indicators. Now on the monthly charts, I have mentioned the moving averages have crossed over. However, look at the divergence of the price from the moving average, and that is what it is trying to attempt and achieve. The prices are looking forward to attempt and achieve the 20 and 50 period moving average sitting at around 3.8, and in fact it can try to bridge the gap at around 4.4 levels. Yes, this is very likely possible in all means. If you look at the stochastic, the monthly stochastic has come to overbought levels, but remember, when it has seen a fall, it is also can sustain, and it has sustained here. It can also sustain the overbought levels for a while here. Look at the MACD. It was trading with sharp divergence and now it is converged. Possibly this candle and coming candles may show the crossover, and then net gas may possibly continue on the upside towards the highs here. Now remember, this is the point from which we have seen net gas always reversing and staying above the zone. This makes this reversal as a very important milestone for net gas. RSI has also started to look upwards. This is a bullish sign. Coming to the week, on the weekly charts, now moving averages have started to look upwards. Previously, the prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged here. Now, taking the support from the 20 period, it has scaled towards the 50 period moving average. Now, right now it is looking forward to 100 period moving average as well, because see, the moving averages have just started to converge and it has to yield further bullish candles for it to cross over. Remember, long lot much of bearishness is what we have seen so far, and now is the time for the bullish move, and hence we can see a probable rise again next week. Also, if you look at, it has stayed outside Bollinger Bands, and now the width of the Bollinger Bands has started to expand. It is traded in a narrow zone. Now, next candle may completely stay outside of the Bollinger Bands for it to continue on the upside. Stochastic is rising. It has come back to overbought levels, while MACD again has started to diverge more. See, first of all, the slope here and here was different. This has suggested that the bearishness was a sharper one compared to what we have seen in the buy side, and now it is trying to resume on the up and trying to diverge more. So suddenly it has changed the slope, and from here the bullish momentum can be sharper one. RSI, look at this. This is what I'm saying. See, RSI is also looking vertically up, so MACD also can try to take a steep rise from here. Possibility exists. Coming to the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts, moving averages looking upwards, $3 levels, very good support, 20 period moving average. At the same time, the divergence of the price from the moving average calls for a little convergence. Now does not mean a complete reversal. Yes, it will wait for the moving average to climb up, and for that it will decide its direction with the first two candles itself, where we may see 3.6 levels as the first target, and then in fact achieving those levels, then it may try to reverse where the moving average slowly climbs up towards 3.2 3.4 zone. The possibility is there. Also, this is a breakout. Yes, couple of candles, and the last candle specifically stayed outside Bollinger Bands. That is important. Now, staying outside Bollinger Band, this also calls for, yes, definitely the Bollinger Band will get expanded, but this also calls for a possible retracement. So yes, achieving the highs or giving a gap up, that is a point at around 3.6 3.7. You can say that we may see a possibility for a retracement at around those levels. Now, if you look at a stochastic, this has come to overbought levels, and hence it can sustain couple of candles before looking forward to down move. The MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bullish, and yes, it has started to rise. It can possibly look forward to achieve the highs here at around these levels. The possibility is there, and you can see the candle size is consistently increasing. It can further increase on this. RSI has come to overbought levels with a couple of greener candles itself, and hence giving a gap up or rising towards 3.6 and plus levels, we may see a possible retracement. You have to watch out closely here. And in fact, once it starts to drop, as long as $3 levels are respected, in fact I will say 2.8 is also respected, you should take the buying entries at around those levels and stay bullish in net gas. That is what I will recommend. I have been recommending it again and again. With every drop I have asked you to buy, and now again I am telling you, Still, it is buy the dip. As long as $4.5 levels are not achieved, I will still recommend you to buy the dip. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to define the trading levels and strategy for you. First, see, it is important to understand what levels we should trade and how to profit trading natural gas. And yes, these levels are definitely going to play a pivotal role. Yes, the daily updates which I share for NetGuess also gives you a fairly good idea on how to take an intraday trade, but this analysis on the weekly basis gives you a positional review. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. The 26th batch is going to start on 9th of October. Limited seats are available. Register yourself from itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel or my free Telegram channel where you get the live market updates. The links are mentioned in the channel and video description again for same. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Let's start first. Let's talk about the levels to buy. And yes, before we proceed, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment, friends. Your every like, share, subscribe, and comment is a great support motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities. Now you can buy at 3.4 beyond 3.44. This time I will look forward to see. I've been waiting for 3.5 levels to get achieved sooner, and this can get achieved very soon. Beyond that, you can look forward to 3.555 and then 3.602. Yes, stronger resistance at these milestones exist for net gas. These are going to remain, and this complete zone between 3.55 to 3.640 remains a very good resistance. Beyond that, directly it will hit 3.7, 3.81, and then $4 levels. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. However, since we have seen net gas coming to overbought levels, what it can try to do, it can in fact achieve these levels or these levels as high. It means it can go as high as this before retracing. So yes, a rise can be expected, but yes, a retracement is must. And one probability is that it can give a gap up on Monday itself and then retrace from those levels. That is one probability which you can look forward to. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 3.4 levels, but then 3.36 and 3.28. These are going to be the major support levels. Then I will look forward to 3.24, 3.18, and then 3.1 levels. Now here it comes, rather I will say in between 3.15 is also there, but 3.15, 3.1, these are the major support levels on the downside. This level, 3.24, very good support exists now on the downside. And then immediately 3.05, this is very strong support levels, because beyond this only the breakout was started. 3.02, another support. I do not see it breaking below 3.02 levels very soon or this month of October. I still expect it to continue with the upward move, but breaking below this, you can still expect that a slight retracement cannot be denied. And as long as 2.8 levels are respected, one can even buy the dip. Every dip towards 2.8 should be an opportunity for you to enter in a bullish position for net gas. See, when I say buy, means we have been recommending buys on net gas, and I have been always telling you to buy the dips, and again I am sticking to the same levels. Hence, you can take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Do watch the daily updates for more detailed review. Thank you.